Hi children, good morning all. Welcome back to the maths class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 12, Heron's formula. Heron's formula. Heron's formula. Okay, Heron is a famous mathematician. He derived a formula, that is Heron's formula. Okay, children, in earlier classes you have studied some figures of shapes such as rectangle, triangle, square, quadrilaterals, etc. such as. Okay, and also you learned the perimeter and the area of that figures. Some of the figures you know about the area and the perimeter. For example, that's in a rectangle. What is the area? That is L into B. That is length into breadth, and its perimeter is 2 into L plus B. In the case of square, the area is what? That is side into side. Okay, and perimeter is 4 into side. And the case of triangle, what is it? 3 types of triangles are there, isn't it? In triangle, what is the area of the triangle? That is half into base into height, isn't it? Area of the triangle is what? Area is half into base into height. That is base and height. In the case of equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle is also half into base into height. And the case of right angle triangle, this is base, it is height, so half into base into height. And the case of a equilateral triangle, what is that? Equilateral triangle is what specialty of equilateral triangle? This all sides are equal. So its area is what? Its area is root 3 a square by 4. Root 3 a square by 4. It's the area of an equilateral triangle. You know, but you know about the scaling triangle. What is special the scaling triangle? Scaling triangle. This is A, B, and C. That all the 3 sides are different. Different in measurement. That is a scaling triangle. So we have to find, it is very difficult to find the height from this. From a scaling triangle, we have to find height. It's very difficult. So one of the famous mathematicians, this Heron, derived a formula. That formula is known as about to find this area of a scaling. That is area of 3 sides of triangles. Okay, that formula is known as Heron's formula, and the formula is area of a triangle, and the formula is this area of a triangle equal, see, root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. This is the formula. Root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Okay. How to read this? Okay now. Then this a, b, c are the sides of this triangle. And S means semi-perimeter. Children, here perimeter is what? Perimeter is sum of its sides is known as perimeter. So here the perimeter is what? That is A plus B plus C. But here is semi-perimeter. Here it is semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter, how to find that? That is semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C divided by 2 is semi-perimeter. Okay. So Heron's formula is area of a triangle is root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where a, b, c are the 3 sides of this triangle. And semi-perimeter, yes. Semi-perimeter, how to represent semi-perimeter? Yes. This, yes. Semi-perimeter s equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. Okay, understood. And this equation, this formula, we need to solve the problems. Okay, so you should study this equation or formula. Okay, now we are going to do the problems of exercise 12.1. All the questions and figures are very big, so very large figures, so I can't draw and write in the board. So all should take your maths textbook in front of you. It must be your maths textbook. Okay. And exercise 12.1, the first question is a traffic signal board indicating a school ahead is an equilateral triangle with the sides A. Okay, that is, it's a signal board. That signal board is, what is the shape of the signal board? It's an equilateral triangle. It's an equilateral triangle. What's the specialty of this equilateral triangle? All sides are equal and the side is given as A. Okay. Then what is the other one? Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180. Okay. If its perimeter given, its perimeter is 180. Okay, 180 what? 180 centimeter. Okay. Then what will be the area of the signal board? So this is exercise 12.1, the first question. Okay. From this, it's given that it's an equilateral triangle. We have to find this area from by using Heron's formula. So what is Heron's formula? That is root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. First we need what is s. Okay. So here we need s. So first we find the s. S is here a plus b plus c. So here over a, b, c are a. So a plus a by 2 equal to 3a by 2. Okay, yes is, now we get yes. Then the equation, that is equation is what? Area of a triangle. Area of a triangle equal to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Okay, now substituting this root of yes is what? That is 3a by 2. This is 3a by 2 into 3a by 2 minus a, 3a by 2 minus, again b is what? B is also a, then 3a by 2 minus c is also a. Okay, so here we get 3a by 2 and 3a by 2 minus a. What is that? 3a by 2 minus a. How to find this? That is, it's a fractional number, so we have to do the subtraction of this fraction. How to do? Just cross multiply. Okay, that's a very fast method, is just cross multiply. Okay, so 3a into 1 is 3a minus 2 into a, 2a all divided by 2 into 1, 2. That is 3a minus 2a is what? 3a minus 2a. 2a is what? 1a or a by 2. Okay, so here we get a by 2. So here we write a by 2 into, this is also a by 2 and it is also a by 2. And this is on root of 3a by 2 into a by 2 into a by 2 into a by 2. Okay. Then from this, first if any pair is there, then we have to put that number or variable out of the root. Okay. So here 3 has no pair. So 3 is in root 3. So 3 we should write as root 3. And here to a into a. So we can bring one a of outside, that is into a, into here also 2a is there. So we can take one a outside of the root. Okay. So that is by prime factorization that you studied in 8th and 7th standard. How to do that prime factorization? Like this, and we pair this and that pair, one of that number from that pair we get outside. That you remember that? Okay. Like that you can do. Now this is 2 into 2, that is 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16. Root of 16 is what? 4. Otherwise you can do 2 2's are there, so 1 2 is in outside. Here also 2 2's are there, so 1 2 is in outside. So we get a value as root 3 A into A is A square by 2 into 2 is 4. So we get the value is root 3 A square by 4. Okay, now we get root 3 area is root 3 A square by 4. Here we given that the perimeter is 180. Okay, perimeter is what? That is A plus A plus A. Okay, that is here A plus A plus A equal to 180. That is 3A equal to 180 and A equal to 180 by 3 equal to 60. Okay, so here we get A, the value of A is 60. So we have to substitute the value here. Now we get as root 3 into 60 into 60 by 4. Root 3 into 60 into 60 by 4. That is how to get 6 6 are 36. 6 6 is 36 and 36 is 9. So 900 and root 3. Okay, 900 root 3 and it is in centimeter. So area is we write as centimeter square. Okay, understood. How to get this? How to apply and get that? So children, our second question is the triangular side wall of flyover have been used for advertisement. The side of the wall is 120 meter and 120. Okay. Then the advertisement yield an earning rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company had one of its wall for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? Okay, so from here first we have to write the what are the information given. So here the sides A, B, C are 122, 22 and 120. So let's first we write A equal to 122 meter. Is it meter? Yeah. Then B equal to 22 meter and C equal what? 120 meter. From this first we have to find S. What is S? S equal to 122 plus 22 plus 120. Okay, all divided by 2 and just find that 122, 22 and 120. 2 2 4, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 1 plus 1 2, 264 by 2 and 264 by 2, 264 by 2 is what? That is 132 meter. Yes, we get us 132 meter. Then second step we need to write the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is what? Equation is root of S into this. Equation is needed for every problem. Okay, so you should write this equation. An equation carrying mark is half mark, so never omit this. Okay, S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. And see here, next step is substitute this. Yes, you have to you write in the down like this. But here there is no space, so I just move to the left side. Okay, but you should write in the down of this same equal side. Okay, so yes, S is what? That is 132. Isn't it? 132. You should check 132 into 132 minus A is what? That is 122 into S minus B. Then 132 minus 22. Then 132 minus 120. See children, very big one. Then 132 root of 132 into 132 minus 120 is what? 32 minus 22 is 10. Isn't it? Then 132 minus 22 is 110. Isn't it? 132 minus 120 is that is 12. That is 12. So then 132 into 10 is what we get? 1320 into 11 into 12. 11 into 12 is 2, 2, 1, 3, 1. So we get us 1. So we get us 1320 like this. We get us 1320. Okay. Here 1320 that is 1320 into 1320 is in a root inside of this root. So we can it's a pair. So we can get one of the number get outside. So the result is 1320 1320 meter square. We get the area as 1320. But here the question is the advertisement yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company had one of its wall for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? So next we have to find that. So we should write as the company, the advertisement yield an earning rupees 5,000 per year. A company had one of its wall for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? The rent is equal to for how much month? 3 months. Their company had on only 3 months. How many months are here? That is 12 months. So we get the answer as 1320 into that 12 months. So only 3 months the company had. So 3 by 12. So that's why it's written as 3 by 12. If it's a 2 year, then we can write as 2 years. But here only 3 months are there. So that's why we write as 3 by 12. Okay, understood. If it's 6 or 7 months, we write as 7 by 12. Okay, then rupees. How many rupees there? Rupees 5,000. Rupees 5,000. Okay, that is 12 into this one is 110. Okay, now 11 into 3 is 33. 33. 11 into 3 is 33. 33 into 5 is 15 plus carry over 1. 15. 15 plus 1. 16. So we get that as 165. And here 10. And here 30. Okay. So then how to get this 16 lakh 50,000 rupees? We get as 16 lakh 50,000 rupees. Okay. So our third question is, there is a slide in a park. One of its side of the wall have been painted in some color with a message, keep the park green and clean. Okay. If the side of the wall are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, find the area painted in color. So here it is also a triangle in shape, and given that A, B, C are, what is A? A is 15 meter, B is 11 meter and C is 6 meter. C is 6 meter. See children, from this first we have to find this S. S equal to 15 plus 11 plus 6 by 2. That is 15 plus 11 plus 6. That is 12. And 32. We get as 32 by 2. That is 16 meter. Okay. We get the values here. Yes. Then next we have to write the area of triangle. Area of a triangle equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay. From this S minus A, S is what? That is root of S is 16 into 16 minus 15 into 16 minus 11 into 16 minus 6. Okay, then root of 16 into 16 minus 15 is 1 into 16 minus 11 is 5 into 16 minus 6 is 10. From this, what we get from this, that is 16 into 5 into 10. We can bring this 16 as prime factorization method. How to do this? 16 is 2 8s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Like that you can do. Otherwise, you can multiply this and find the long division method. You can find the square root of that number. Okay, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 is 5 into then again 2 into 5. Okay, 2 into 5. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 16. From these two you take 1 2 outside, and from these you take 1 2 outside. From these 2 5 you take 1 5 outside, and this is remaining. So you should write it as like root 2. And here the result is 2 into 5, 10, 10 into 2, 20. So we get as 20 root 2 meter square. Okay, and 4, find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. So first we have to write A, B and P. Okay, A is 18 centimeter, B is what? B is 10 centimeter, and the perimeter is given as 42 centimeter. Isn't it, children? 42 centimeter. From this, we have to find that C first. So, we know that A plus B plus C is P. Okay, P is 42 meter, then C is what? That is 42 minus this 18 plus 10. 18 plus 10 is what? 28. So, 42 minus 28 is what? That is 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. Okay, then now we have to find the area. So area is semi-perimeter. So S we need. S is 42. A plus B plus C by 2. That is P by 2. That is 42 by 2 is 21 centimeter. Now we need A equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That is a root of S is what? That is 21 into S minus A. That is 21 minus 18. Then 21 minus 10 into 21 minus what? 14. Okay, children. Now 21. 21, how to write 21? That is, you just factorize as 7 into 3. That's prime number, so 7 into 3. Okay, then 21 minus 18 is what? 3. Then 21 minus 10 is 11 into 21 minus 14. That is 7. Okay, now here 7 pair is there, so we take one number outside, and here also we get 3. 3 is pair, so we get 1 from outside, and here there is no pair of that 11. So 11 we can write in a root, and the answer is 7 to 3 is 21 root 11 centimeter square. Okay, that is question number 5. Side of a triangle is in the ratio 12 is to 17 ratio. This is ratio. 12 is to 17 is to 25, and its perimeter is 540. Okay, find the area, find its area. So first we have to find the numbers first. The given is a ratio. The numbers are in ratio first. So first from that, first we have to find the A, B, C. So let the numbers. So let the numbers be 12x, then 17x, then 25. Okay, 25x. Perimeter is given as what? That is 540 centimeter. 540 centimeter. Okay, 540 centimeter is perimeter. So, like the numbers we take as 12x, 17x, 25x. From this, we have to find the numbers. That is 12x plus 17x plus 25x equal to 540. Okay, from this 2 plus 7, 9 plus 5, 14. 14, 3, 5. 54x is 540. From this x equal to 540 by 10 by 54 equal to 10. X we get 10. Now we have to find this. What is numbers? A equal to 12 into 10 equal to 120. B equal to 70 into 10 equal to 170. And C equal to 25 into 10 equal to 250. Okay, we get the number as like this. The next step is we have to find S. S equal to P by 2. Isn't it, children? P by 2 is 540 by 2 equal to 270. Okay, 270 we get. Now A is root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That is, now we get the value of X, and from these we just multiply to get A, B and C. Because of the numbers are 12x, 17x, 25x. So that we just from that we get the value of A, B and C, and that value is substitute from here. Okay. This is 270. This is 270 into 270 minus 120. Okay. Then 270 minus 170. Then 270 minus 250. 270. The next is 270 into 270 minus 120. 120. Then how to 0? So 7 minus 2 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. Then we get 150 into. Then 270 minus 170. 0, 0, 1. That is 100 into 270 minus 250. 250 we get 0, 20. So here we get the values 270 into 150 into 100 into 20. Now we need 270 into this one. So here how to bring here 270, we can write as 270. 3 into 3 into 3 into 10 is this 270. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27. 27 into 10, 270. Isn't it, children? Now 15 into 2 is what? 15 into 2 is 30. Then here 2 zeros are here. Okay. Then again 1 0. Okay. From this we get the answer is this much. See, children, here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 3s are here. Okay. From these we have to. Here, see, children, here 1, 2, 3, and this 3000 is 3 into 1000, isn't it? So this 3 into, from 3 into 3 we get outside 1 3. Okay. And this 3 into 3 we get outside from 1 3. Now we free that 3. And from here 1 2 0 we just outside 1 0. And from these 2 0 we get 1 0 out. And from these 2 0 we get 1 0 out. So we get the values 3 into 3, 9,000. Okay, 9,000 centimeters. Isn't it centimeter? 9,000 centimeter square as the value. An isosceles triangle has perimeter. Perimeter is given as 30 centimeter. Perimeter is given as 30 centimeter, and each of the equal sides. So two sides given as 12 centimeter. That is A equal to 12 and B is also 12 centimeter. Okay, then find the area of the triangle. We have to find the area of the triangle, so we need C. So first we find the value of C from this. How to find that is 30 minus 12 plus 12 is 24. 30 minus 24 is what? That is 6. So we get the values 6. C value 6 and substitute. Then we next find what is S. Then substitute to that value from this area of the triangle, so you get the answer. So that's why that question, that is in exercise question number 6. The question number 6 you have to do self as a homework. Okay children, so the next section is application of Heron's formula for finding the area of quadrilateral. This section is needed in this year only because of CBSE omitted this portion. Application of Heron's formula just omitted by the CBSE, so no need to study. So this much only in this chapter. So you should study to 5 or 6 problem. Only 6 problem is there. So you should study today itself and watch the video again and again. Then only you understood about that. Okay, because of this is not the class, it's an online class, so you should watch the video 2 or 3 times. Okay, and after that only you should write notes and send to that notes to me and send that 2 times also. Okay, study well. Thank you.